1979 Chevrolet Z28 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Numbers matching, 350 V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with a manual 4-speed transmission, power steering, power brakes. Let's take a look at the front fascia. You can see the black paint has a nice shine to it. Can you find an imperfection on it here or there? Yes, it's black. But overall, this car looks as good in person as it does the pictures and the videos, and you can see red cloth interior. Great combination with the graphics on this car. Call us 507-386-1726 if you have any questions. Of course, you can check out all the still pics at our website, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're seeing this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. It's going to take you right to our website. We're going to check it out. Black 5-spoke Z28 wheels. Let's take a look down the passenger side of this car. You can see it's free of nicks, dings, scratches, anything major. Bucket seat, center console. There's a manual 4-speed. Very stock looking interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little closer in just a bit. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. If you like these late 70s Camaros, maybe Mustangs, Corvettes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when they're uploaded, these vehicles are available to purchase either online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. We always like that. Look up and down the driver's side. I noticed there was just a couple, maybe little rock chips down below. You'll see in the underside pics. So you'll be able to see those underside pics, interior, trunk, engine bay. UniqueClassicCars.com. Cloth vinyl combination. As far as the vinyl on the sides, cloth seating area, you can see. Also nice shape. Tilt column. I did not get the radio to power up. Wipers do work. Odometer reads 34,130. I cannot confirm or deny that being original once the vehicle is so old. It is marked exempt in the title. There you can hear that numbers matching, 350. How about tachometer? Tach's working. Fuel gauge. Put it down there. Battery. Slip around over here. Temp gauge. That was a cold start. I won't expect that to move. And we have a clock down here. Second hand's not moving on the clock. Dash looks good. Headliner intact, in nice shape. Door closes nicely, hinge pin's good. Let you take a listen. Let's slip up to the front, check out this engine bay. Remember, if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take this car for a drive, see how it goes down the road. So stick around to the very end. There's a look at the underside of the hood. And that number's matching, 350. As you can see, headers, power steering, power brakes, metal Brock valve cover, little chrome dress up, HEI ignition. Good looking engine bay. 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro. This is a 4-speed manual right here on the floor. Very nice condition inside and out. Even the steering wheel feels fresh, like it's not worn at all. Seats looking good. Strong acceleration from this Camaro. All our gauges are looking good. We've got temperature just over 100. The clock does not appear to be moving, however, speedometer works. Fuel gauge just under half, and the battery gauge over 14, so that's just what we want. Windshield washer working. Blower motor works. The radio I did not get sound out of. Comfortable cloth bucket seats in this car. Even the dash top, I'm not seeing any cracks. Feels like a very low mile Camaro. Camaro corners well. Not much leaning in the corner at all. I'm impressed with the cleanliness of this car. Very, very good condition. Even the dash, all the edges are looking nice. Take a look at all the pictures and see all the details of this Camaro at uniqueclassiccars.com.